Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some news once again about Google Play Store and the fact that a couple of weeks ago Google did say that they want to ramp up security to make sure that apps that appear in the Android store, the Google Play Store, and so on are safe and are not ridden with malware or anything else. Well, we learned that a couple of apps that have been actually downloaded more than 2.5 million times are actually loading apps while the screen is off, and even overlaying apps over standard apps. And it's like we look at the Apple App Store. They did have sometimes problems with them apps, but most of the time it's okay. And I have a hard time thinking about how they can't deal with this in the Google Play Store. It is important. I mean, you download from the App Store for one major reason. Not only is it easy, but it is also supposed to be safe, supposed to be a place where you can actually click an app, download whatever you see, try it without fear of anything. And I think Google needs to really make this better. If they want to compete, really compete, they really need to also ramp up that security. So it's interesting. So they don't really say how many or what are the apps in the listing that I've seen, but security researchers said, yep, there is a case of several apps doing this. And actually, you can see the apps that do it, because if you go to, first of all, you might notice your battery life isn't as good. And second of all, if you go into your battery settings and look at background processes of apps, you see that there are some apps that you might have installed that actually are taking a lot of battery. So let's hope that Google does something about it, because it's getting kind of a problem when week after week you see that there are some problems with apps in the Google Play Store. I think it's important that Google really step up its security to make sure things are better. So, be safe out there. And even if you download with the Google Play Store, I think you should, be careful what you choose. And, if an app doesn't have that many downloads, maybe it's better to avoid it rather than try it. It's sad because it might hurt some developers, but it is a problem. And I hope that this gets fixed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.